Music.
Yeah. Lee Sharp. Okay. Haters keep heading, you know, while I keep on succeeding. ROG. Okay. Yeah, haters keep hailing as well, I should keep wailing. Your daily attack on me, reason why I'm becoming too many. You better figure me well before you think of doing any. Success in my whip for witches, can't fucking in the jazz, yeah. Catching my cruise on your eyes, your daily upon me like you are my god. On daily basis, trying to attack me. No more back then, it's obvious you wanna be with me, but we'll never go down for Jehovah God is with me. I'm passing no sick on your open as our fun, yeah. And when no man for my kukwa road, yeah, na cheat and yeah. You watching me daily to know if I'm sick and slim, but you're watching is a blessing. That for my cup to the brim, yeah. Just wanna be do like maybe Weezy on Khalifa. Just what I'm meant to attend my carnival. Why some fucking ass nigga only busy with the minima? We pull up the heat and make her a scene. We are magical, so you cannot see that all this thing are for it. Making it is not easy. Sometimes you gonna cross the sea, but me and my party we are hitting the target of any more translator who just want to terminate. Yeah, okay, can I go post a diarrhea? Onye chari fuzo, okay, pulling the elu. Ha, I scrap star now. I uche hudu so courageous and brave like a tumego jubu. And I keep on heading out. Well, I keep on welling now. The more you hate, the more succeed. Never gonna stop from my pursuit. Yeah, I keep on heading out. My God is there for me. The more you hate, the more succeed. Never gonna stop from my pursuit.
As long as not God has went to God is an
I got to keep it up. Number one for the people where they show me love too. I don't wanna die before the dead.